Children, I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to see a small introduction about numbers. Okay, I think you have learned from maybe first standard. You are learning so many ideas and so many classes you have observed. Okay, so you know a lot of things about numbers. Today the same I am going to just enrich with you and little more information. Okay, so today's topic is numbers. Can you recall what are the numbers you have come across? I think numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. From LKG you are starting, okay? You are saying, you are using 1, 2, 3. So these are the numbers we are using in everyday's life. So we are calling these numbers as a counting numbers. Why we call it as a counting numbers? Because we used to count one object. One chair, one book, two book, three book, etc. like that. So we are calling it as a counting numbers, or it has one more name, natural numbers. It is available in nature. Okay, naturally we got it. So natural numbers, we denote it by capital N. Okay, natural numbers, the first letter of that word, natural numbers. So what are the numbers are called natural numbers? So we are using 1, 2, 3, etc. So natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. We can keep on counting 1000, lakh, crore, etc., million, billion, etc. So natural numbers. So natural numbers starts from 1 and there is no end. It's infinite. Okay, uncountable. Okay, natural numbers. And then after that we need some more number to complete the number system. So we are calling it as a whole numbers. Whole means complete, full packed. So something is missing in this number system. So I can denote, if there is one chair, I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If there is no chair, how to denote? So there is nothing, 0. So whole numbers, whole means complete. So 0 we are going to include with this, 0, 1, 2, etc. Okay. So this set of numbers we are calling it as a whole numbers. Natural numbers which you already used. Next one, we need some number, that is a 0 to represent nothing. Okay, how many pen do you have? If you have, you can say 1, 2, 3. If you don't have anything, you can say 0. Okay, nothing. Whole numbers. And then still we need some more numbers to denote which should have been there. Actually, I have 10 rupees. I am giving the 10 rupees to somebody. Then how much rupees I have? I have 0. No, I have to give 10 rupees to somebody. That means I should have been given. I should have had 10 rupees. So which I don't have. That means minus 10. So we need negative numbers. Then another category followed by this. Negative numbers that we are calling it as integers. Complete number like 1, 2, 3. In between there are so many numbers. The complete, okay, integers. So negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So here started 1, 2, 3 natural numbers. Whole numbers just included 0. With this 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Right hand side keep on going. At the same time left hand side also we can extend minus 1. That means I don't have. I should have 1. Minus 2. Minus 3, and this side also I can extend. So both side I can extend. Okay. So 0 represent nothing. 1, 2, 3 which I have. Minus 1, minus 3 which I should have been having but I don't have. So to represent that we are using minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So these set of numbers we are calling it as a integers. And there is one more word, Zalem. That's a Greek word. I think you can find this word in your textbook. Maybe under the number system, if you go there, you can find that word and see the exact meaning of Zalem. Whether it is a Greek or Latin, you find out and tell me. Okay, I'll be asking that later. So integers. So what is the beginning number? What is the ending number? There is no beginning, there is no end. Whole numbers. What is the beginning number? It's 0. Ending number? No. Natural numbers. Beginning number 1. So this was there will be question. Right? Smallest natural number. Right? Smallest whole number. I think you can able to answer. Can you? Yes, you check it. And then after this, still we need some more numbers to represent. You have an apple. Okay, that's full. How many apple? 1. If you are sharing that apple with your friend, maybe sister, brother, half of that. So how will you write that half of the apple? So to denote the piece of the apple which you have, you need some more number. With the help of this number you cannot write. So okay, so half of the apple. That means rational numbers, technical word. So here we have 0, 1, 2, etc. This side -1, -2, etc. In between half of the apple. So this is 0, that means nothing. This is 1. And you are sharing that one apple into 2 pieces. So half you are cutting. So half. How to write half? 1/2. That means one apple made into 2 pieces, and then you are representing one piece. So 1/2, 1 out of 2. So the numbers. What are the numbers? For an example, I have 10 chocolate. I have 10 chocolate. So I am writing 10 chocolate. Out of 10 chocolate, 2 I have eaten. 2 I have taken. So to represent how many I have taken, so I can use the fraction. This is a fraction method. 2/10. Out of 10, I have taken 2. So the numbers. What are the numbers? You can write like this. So technically we say numerator and denominator. So 2 divided by 10. Numerator, denominator. Based on this, what are the numbers? You can able to write like this format. Numerator by denominator. All those kind of numbers are called rational numbers. General format. P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. I'll tell you why it is not equal to 0. Or instead of P by Q, you can go by A by B. It's up to you. But generally, in textbook, they have used P by Q, A by B also. You can write nothing wrong with that. Included, the conditions must be there. Denominator should not be 0. Why? Denominator should not be 0. I have 10 apple. Okay, divide 10 apple to 2 person. How many will each get? 5, definitely. Yeah, your answer may be correct. So 10 divided by 2. 10 apples are there. Divide for 10,000. 10 by 10. Each will get how many? I hope 1. Isn't it? Yes, your answer also may be correct. So 10 by 10. So 10 apples are there. I am going to divide to 0%. Is it possible? 10 apples are there. There is no person. So no need to divide by 0. So that's why conditions are applied. Denominator, division by 0 is not allowed. There is so many apples, so many chocolates are there. Divide to 0%. Nobody will do that action. Okay, that's what the conditions are there. So denominator should not be 0. So any number which you can write numerator by denominator